Hello everyone, and in today's video we will be showing you how to make a timer billboard GUI. So first of all, let's add a part. This is where we will add the timer billboard. Let's set the size of the part like something like kind of different because I'll make it like this 6,2,4. I think that's a good thing. I will add this timer block, or I call this timer block. Let me do it. Here, timer block. Inside of timer block, let's add a billboard GUI. Let's rename this billboard GUI something like timer billboard or something. There we go. Then inside of timer billboard, let's add a frame. But first of all, it's gonna change some properties in timer billboard. So in timer billboard, we're gonna change the size to 0,200,50, which is completely good. Then we're gonna do stud offset, the first one here, and then set the Y value, so the second one, to 3. You can see it's up. We'll see a bit of white because I added my frame already. And always on top. Let's set it to allowed, like on. And max distance will be at like around 100. So then when we like further, you won't see it anymore. You can also change this to whatever you want. Okay, that's good. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the frame. Let's frame this to progress bar, like this. Inside of progress bar, let's change the size. So the size will be 1,0,1,0, which will be the background. Let's change the background color to whatever you want. I will do completely black. Add a corner radius to make it look cooler. And I think the best setting for this is 0,25, which will have like a nice round corner to it. Okay. Then inside of progress bar, let's add another frame and let's rename this to just fill. Yeah. And inside of fill, we're gonna change some settings. So the size, of course, will be 0,0,1,0, which will be nothing. And let's change the color to, let's say, like a greenish type of color. I think that looks cool. Yeah. And then we can copy this one, paste it in here, because we're also going to do 0,25, I mean, yeah. Then let's add a script. Inside of fill, add a script. You can just do timer system or something. Yeah, I don't know. You can change this whatever you want. And then let's make the script. Yeah. So first of all, we're gonna be working with TweenService. Yeah, equals to game.get service TweenService. Yeah. So this is just like to make those smooth animations work. You know, local fill equals to script.parent. So this is our frame here, which will be like moving. Then let's also local our total time. I'll make this like 5 seconds. You can change this like to whatever you want. Like let's say you want the timer or like the cycle to be like 10 seconds. It needs to 10, like it's in seconds. Then let's local our tween info. This will be the information you'll be giving for the animation. Tween info.new. Open this total time. This which will be our time, because you see first need a time number, then we need an easing style. So let's do linear. So enum dot easing style dot linear, comma, and then we need the easing direction, or we will do like in out enum dot easing direction dot in out. And that's good. And here we don't add comma because we don't go to another line. So here just go to down. Local goal size, which will be the size that we want, will be udm2 dot new 1,0,1,0, and then local reset size equals udm2 dot new 0,0,1,0. So 0,0, you can see this is already the size that we have, you see. But then let's say what is the goal size? This is like the size which will be at the end, which will be completely green. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Then also while true do, because this is a loop. Local tween equals TweenService, not tween info, TweenService. Point create. So we're gonna make a new animation. So we have our fill tween info, comma, and then in like these three brackets, size, because we're gonna be changing our size, will be our goal size. Yep, that's perfect. Then we're gonna play the tween. Point play with the two brackets here, and then we're gonna wait until the tween is complete. Tween dot completed. Point wait. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do simple print message. Yeah. Cycle completed. Yeah. Like you can change here whatever happens. Like let's say you want like a part to be dropping out of the part, and you put it here. You can even put a remote event in, so something happens locally. Then we're also gonna do fill that size equals reset size. Does that weight 0.2, like just that it won't break. So what happens here, we play the tween. It will be 5 seconds. So after the 5 seconds tween is completed, it will print this message on the output, and then after it's completed, it will reset the size again to the original states. Now wait 0.2 seconds, and it's gonna do the cycle again. Now as you play the game, you can see it will take 5 seconds to go. Boom, cycle completed. It will do again, cycle completed. You see everything works perfectly fine. As I said already, you can change the timer to whatever you want. Let's put it like to 3 seconds. You can see it only takes 3 seconds to do it. Let's like do 1 second, like add like a super fast thing. See, each 1 second it has a cycle complete. You can even do like a minute timer, which is 60 seconds. You can see it will be very slow. Yeah, and as I say, like max activation distance. Well, this is how this works. The model will just be the block. You can, like I said, just change this to whatever you want that happens after each cycle. If you want me to make something like in this, like make sure to let me know. Like let's say you want like a item dropper, and I can do like each time a cycle completes an item drops. That will be in the second part. So make sure to like and subscribe this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.